everybody, welcome to another episode. In today's video I'm gonna show you the first steps on how you can start to learn how to create your application using OpenAI, okay? In future videos I'm gonna show you how you can create an application from scratch, okay, step by step. But in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can start to learn how to create your own application, okay? First, we're gonna go to openai.com, okay? Second, we're gonna click in API, okay? API. When we are here, we're gonna log in if we have an account already, or we're gonna sign up and just put our email address and our password, okay? It's gonna send you, when you are in, it's gonna send you to this website, to this interface, okay? When we are here, we're gonna go to documentation. In documentation, we're gonna click in quick start tutorial, okay? Here, you will have to start to read everything, okay? It's gonna show you some examples where you have to put, depends what you are looking for, where you have to put it. Here is some examples, okay? The introduction, what's mean introduction and how you can use it to put your ideas. Here is giving you one example. Here is giving you the settings, okay? What you have to put, what mean what, and things like that. Here in the fourth point is showing you which applications you're gonna use or you will want to use for create your own application, okay? You can create in Node.js or in Python, okay? If you select Node.js, it's gonna send you, okay, for the setup you have to download some applications, okay? Some coding applications. You don't have to go outside of this website. If you want to code your application in Node.js, it's gonna put you this link. You click in the link and it's gonna send you to the main website, okay, where is the software. You just click in one of those, okay? The first one is the one that I use always. If you decide to go for Python, you click in Python, you click again in this link, and it's gonna send you to the main website of Python, okay? You download your version, okay? Depends if you are on Windows or you have a Mac or other kind of computers, okay? You just download, you fill all the requests, okay? Then it's gonna ask you to copy your own API key, okay? For this you have to go to Playground, then you go to Personal, you go to View API Keys, and you're gonna create a new one, okay? You create one and you copy your own API, okay? API key. Let's go again to the quick tutorial, okay? Then you have your continuous is showing you where you have to paste your codes, what you have to do, where you have to put your own API key, what it's gonna look like, okay? Here is giving you another examples of where you have to paste it. Here is gonna be your own API key. Here is showing you how you can run when you have everything already done, you're gonna come here and you're gonna run your application, okay? You copy this message, okay? And you're gonna paste in the program, okay? I will show you in future video because I want to do an application from scratch and I will film it, okay? I will make different videos from the start through the end, okay? Okay, here is giving you how it's gonna look your code, okay? Just the first steps of your code, and here the closing things, okay? For example, here is explaining you the limitations of the model, depends in in which model you want to create. For example, if we click here, you can see that is showing you, is explaining you the difference between the programs. Okay, you have the DaVinci, is the more advanced program. For example, you can see all of them here. You go again to Playground, and you can see here all the programs that they have. The most powerful is the DaVinci, okay? The second is the Courier, third is the Babbage, and the fourth is the Ada, okay? Depends which type of application you want to create, okay? The more advanced, the one that I recommend, is the one that I use, is the DaVinci one, okay? We go again to the examples, okay? Now that you know where to look for all the things, for start to learn how to create your own application using the API of OpenAI, okay? The API key. And the next steps, okay? Here you can read the different tasks, okay? Like a completion guide, examples of prompts, you know how start using the playground and all these things, okay? I'm gonna show you now how looks some examples. We're gonna click here in examples, and we have all these examples that we can see. We can come with different ideas, okay? For example, if you click here where it says restaurant review creator, this is turn a few words into a restaurant review. You have here the example, okay? You have the prompts. You're gonna read in the parts that I show you what's mean prompts and all these things. Here is his example. Here you have the response. Here you have the final product, okay? To install your API request, okay? Here all the settings for this application, okay? The engine is the program, the DaVinci, how many tokens he used to create this, the temperature that they select, this temperature, top P, frequency, and all this you can find here, okay? In the playground you can see all the settings, okay? You have the temperature, you can regulate the maximum length, how many tokens you want to use, okay? For this, just tell you that you have to pay for that. It's very cheap, okay? You can come here and see the prices. I will show you. If you go ahead here again to documentation, I'm gonna show you. How much is per token, okay? Depends the program that you use, okay? Okay, you go to model and pricing, you click in learn more, and it's gonna send you here, okay? For example, you can see that for the model Ada is $0.004 dollars per 1,000 tokens. The Babbage is a little bit more expensive, and the DaVinci is for every 1,000 tokens is 0.0200, okay? It's not very expensive, it's very cheap, if I'm honest. Then we go into examples. You can see other people's example, okay? For example, how you can find them. For example, this one, calculate the time complexity, find the time complexity of a function, okay? Or you can translate programming language, explain code. You have plenty of examples, okay, that you can start with. Just make your own ideas, create your own, just think, use the imagination to come with a different idea, okay? And in future videos, if I have time in the next video, I will start making an application from scratch with you, okay? It's gonna take me few videos, but we're gonna make an application all together, okay? Just write in the comments below which kind of applications you are interested in, and we can do it together here in in the channel, okay? Thank you very much and see you in the next video.